Propent Manager holds all of the Propent connectivity data that belongs to the Propent Consortium and is used by STEMLab to feed PredictK the coefficients needed to describe Propent performance. In addition, Propent Manager can be used to store Propent data from any source. In this video, we'll highlight how Propent Manager can be used to act as a central database for keeping track of published data on Propent performance from as many Propent vendors as desired. For the purposes of this video, I've already created a database using published data for a number of products and performed the necessary steps to determine the correlation coefficients needed for PredictK. Videos are available at corelab.com that describe how to perform these steps. To gather the input data for Propent Manager, I simply visited the websites of a number of our Propent Consortium members and compiled the required data to populate the database and perform the correlations. Test data types needed are Propent concentration, test temperature, and conductivity and width at each tested stress. Often, permeability is reported instead of width on Propent vendor websites. If this is the case, multiply the conductivity by 0.012 and divide by the permeability to calculate the width. Test substrate can be assumed to be a Ohio sandstone, since this is the industry standard. For the Propent information, you will need the sieve analysis, specific gravity, and packed bulk density, in addition to the Propent name and its classification. Here you'll note that I just used generic sand names, but you can put the actual vendor names if you desire. Once the database is created, you can leverage the data in a number of ways. First, you'll have a snapshot of the current available Propent catalog. Marking the date that you pulled the data, like today's date, will maintain a record of when you created the database. This way, when new data is posted, you can simply add another test and mark the new date, creating a running catalog of when changes were made to reported Propent performance. Just like any other Propent Manager database, you can export the Propent list to PredictK and perform additional analysis there. Instructions on how to do that are posted on our website. Finally, both Propent Manager and PredictK databases can be shared electronically to other users inside and outside of your company. The necessary steps to achieve this will be covered in a future video. Some of the advantages of sending this database is that you can provide it to coworkers so that they can benefit from the work you've put in. Also, you can provide this to your clients so that they have a catalog of your products that they can use in Propent Manager or PredictK if they're consortium members. This video just touches the edge of what can be done in Propent Manager with Propent data of all types. For more ideas, explore our video catalog, explore Propent Manager and PredictK, or contact me at steven.driley@corelab.com.